Come on now, it don't have to be like that. It's not you, it's me. Trust me, it's me. Maybe things are better this way. Inside the box, you get the caliper, the lever, 200mm brake hose pre-bled, MAGURA instruction manual, installation package, which consists of Torx T25 caliper bolts, olive, barred, and hose plug, and MAGURA decals. And let's start the teardown. During the installation, I did use MAGURA Shift Mix 3 handlebar clamps. Now I do have MAGURA Storm HC rotors, but for now I'll be using the Anchor Turf floating disc rotor. Front is 203mm and the rear is 180mm. I'll be torquing the bolts to 6 Nm. This is my workbench, but for right now, I guess you can call it my table of content. I could definitely use some lotion, but when dealing with brake rotors and pads, you want your hands contaminant free. The hose shortening and Blake breed procedure is a cakewalk on MAGURA brakes. I have another video that's more detailed about that. brake lever is a carbon texture plastic blade, but the reach adjust is right here in the front that can be easily adjusted with a T25 torque screw. The SRAM Guide Ts do have an aluminum brake lever, but you can't adjust the reach with the lever being on the handlebar. I said once before that MAGURA is starting to become my first go-to for mountain bike brakes. And for $90, that's unheard of for this much stopping power.